Assalamualaikum. We are from SMK Muhammadiyah Belitang. My name is Annisa.
My name is Agustina.
My name is Agustina.
Here we will practice how to make fruit salad.
Tools and ingredients: spoon, bowl, grate cheese, knife, cutting board, measuring cup, ladle. Pear, apple, mango, jelly, mayonnaise, full cream milk, simmer yogurt, cheese, date, and sweetened condensed milk. The first, add mayonnaise, sweetened condensed milk, full cream milk, simmer yogurt, stir until combined. Second, cut the fruit and jelly into cubes. Third, put the fruit and jelly in a bowl containing the salad sauce and mix well. Fourth, grate cheese as a salad topping and place that as decoration. Fruit salad is ready to be served.
Let's try. Good. Delicious.